Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check if you need a new iPhone battery. So actually it's not a thing that should be on your iPhone 17 and should be possible on your iPhone 17 as for the 23rd of December 2025, but if you have an older iPhone, for example 12, 11, X, 13, 14 even, and 15, you can check that. At first, open the settings in your iPhone and scroll down to the battery right there. Scroll down again and tap battery health. Now, battery health should be normal, but if you have your battery health lower than 80% over here, maximum capacity is lower than 80%, you should replace your battery. Of course, it's safe to use battery between 70 and 80%, so don't worry about that, but it's recommended to replace it. Apart from that, if you do have your maximum capacity below 70%, maybe 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, etc., it's not safe to use this battery, it's not safe to use this iPhone, you need to replace it. It's because here the battery health should be set, the status should be service. And yes, when you see battery health service here, it's time to replace the battery. Your iPhone knows better than me, of course, so of course, yeah, you have to remember that everything is here and here. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.